Good morning to all of you. Now here Ashish is in front of you to support traditional classes. I am against these online classes because I feel that in online classes students don't pay attention. Sometimes they keep their audio and video off and they are busy in their own work. Teachers do not know about that and they cannot take proper care in that case because they don't know what is happening in a student's home. During online classes, students are at home and whenever they face any problem or any kind of situations, it comes. It is solved by their parents. But when they are in a school, there will be many situations and all those problems, whatever it may come, all those things will be solved by the students themselves. Or if teachers help them to solve, at least the students will have dared to discuss their problem with their teachers, their friends. There will be many things that students are going to learn from a school. It is not only the academic, but it is also about the co-curricular activities, sharing and caring, and many more things. And the most important thing that the students learn discipline and manner in the school. And many children are pampered at home. They don't listen to their parents, and if they remain at home, they get too sticky to their parents, and they are not free to mix up with the other people. So I feel that traditional schooling is very important, and the students must go to a school so that they can have a proper education. Along with that, they will also learn many more things. They will get a chance to express themselves on the stage. They will know how will talk to the people. They will know how to mix with the other people, and their science will remove. If they go to a school and they get a chance to express themselves, they will learn many things, and it is a good platform for each and everything. Not only for the academic. I mean, some students can be good in studies, so they get a good platform even in the school. These days we have to sports classes, art and craft classes, dance classes, music classes. So in all fields, students can improve themselves, and it is not about only schooling and getting some kind of training. It is also about our friends and good connection, a good bonding between teacher and students in a giving online. I think it won't be possible to make that bonding. That bonding is possible only when students go to a school. So that bonding is also important between teacher and students. So I am not in favor of online classes. I think traditional classes should be go on so that students get chance to elaborate themselves. Thank you.